This was definitely a roller coaster, but we got here. And so I was walking at my local Walmart and I saw the Melody and Kuromi collection to celebrate the 50th anniversary of my Melody and the 20th anniversary of Kuromi. I freaked out, and here's my video of that moment. What is this? Is the Wet n Wild? My Melody and Kuromi collection? The brushes are adorable in the bag. Look at the palettes. I think they outdid themselves on this one. This is a mirror, and this one's the lip mask. Oh, the lip gloss with the charm. This is so cute. They have lip liners. Nice. Oh, the multi-stick set. I like these ones. What's on this other side over here? Let's see. Oh, this is a glittery gel cream blush. Then the setting powder. Oh, what is this one? Looks like it's a primer. And then the eyeliner. I don't think I need to explain to you guys that I bought a few things, and this is the video that I tried them with you guys. I bought the palette, my Melody palette. I bought the setting powder, the Sugar Sparkle, the multi-stick pack. It comes with a purple and 2 shades of pink. This pack of an eyeliner and a gel liner. And I bought this one, the Kuromi one, that is the face quad. It's like blush and highlighter. I don't know if you noticed, they are all open. It's because I was too excited. I had to open them as soon as I go home and swatch on my hand. And anyway, this is the first time that I will actually play on my face, but I had to open them. I had to also take a look at the powder to see what this sparkle was about, because I thought I bought this by mistake. Actually, I thought it was just pink setting powder. I've been wanting to try that out, and I thought, oh, this is a perfect opportunity. I want to buy something on the collection, and then I buy something that I've been wanting to try. But shame on me, I didn't read the Sugar Sparkle part of the label. So lesson for the day, read the label before you buy it. But this is the one that I want to try first, because I already applied foundation, I applied contour, and I applied some concealer under my eye. So I want to set it. And oh, you can definitely see the sparkle. I don't know if you'll be able to see on the camera, but you can definitely see the sparkle in person. I wonder how it'll look like on the face. Let me put my hair back. It does blend, and it leaves like a little bit of sparkle. Let me do this. Oh, I see sparkles. Do you see them? I see them. I don't know if I like them. Let's start with the palette. I'll go with this darker shade over here. Let me tell you, when I was swatching and just like trying to see what the colors look like, I could tell that they are very messy, very powdery. Like you can see they already transferred to one another. Oh, very pigmented, see? Wow. I want a shimmer. Let me get, I don't know if I, oh, let me get the dark shimmer right here. And I'm just bringing that pink down to the lid, really. And it's pairing good with the matte, because sometimes that doesn't happen. But they are being nice friends. But look at this. The lighter shades, they have the powder from the darker shades on them. And I want on this shimmer right here, the champagne color. And I'm gonna bring it from the inner corner towards the lid. Oh, okay. It's more of a just a sparkle than color. So let's change tactics. And let me bring this shade right here. There's no pigment on the lighter colors. Time for this. So I'm going to go on the lilac shade. Okay, this is sad. Since they are very powdery, you can just wipe it off with some dry washcloth and you're back to start. This is the multi-stick. This is a pretty color. I'm going to draw my lid and see if this helps me out some. Okay, I've seen and I own multi-sticks by Wet n Wild that are more pigmented than this, but this is also pretty good. And it still has shimmer. I think they really invested on shimmer for this collection, and I think it's both paying off but also not, if that makes sense. We go back to that shimmery pink and we help this blend in. So applying the powder on top of the multi-stick is not the best idea, but I don't see how else to make it blend in. We're getting somewhere, I feel like. This changes things a bit because I thought I would have some powder that was lilac or purple pigmented, and it looks like I don't, so I'll have to do pink on the bottom as well. Now let me see how this looks as a blush. Gonna go on the pink. Again, the pigment is not there, but the shimmer is. This is so disappointing, man. I'll dab on this pink right here. See, this should be a blush. Well, I guess it does say that it's a face palette as well, right? Okay, now I want the white. They didn't name the shades, but that's okay. I'm gonna go grab this periwinkle right here. Alright, I found a function for these guys on top of either the multi-stick or a powder. They look absolutely gorgeous. Look at that. Time for these guys right here, because I feel like I tried everything already, but for the liner, the white guy first, and I'll do it on the bottom. This is a very good like dot of shimmer. Like they are really betting on shimmer for this collection, I'm telling you. Okay, so this is the liner. This is a pink liner. I want to see how it performs on top of all of this. So, oh, okay. I'll add a little black liner on the bottom. So now we need to think about lips. I have this one. And I have this Physician formula. Now I'll do this guy. I actually like the lips, so I thought I wasn't gonna like the lips. It was this color over here. I bought this on Amazon, and it was my Physician formula Nourish lipstick on the shade Sugar Plum, and this lipstick is so soft. It's ridiculous. And oh, my lashes. I put the multi-stick on top of it, right? And I like this. Okay, this was definitely a roller coaster, but we got here, and it's safe to say that the products are good, right? They have some speed bumps, but hey, it's still ridiculously affordable. Come on. And it's such a cute collab. What I like about Wet n Wild is that all the collabs they do, you can tell that they took some time to think about it and think about the products, because they are adorable. They are always adorable. They have like the bag. I mean, I showed to you guys the video of me at Walmart, but the bag is adorable, the brush is adorable, everything is adorable, right? So it's nice to buy products on a collection that you see it's cute. It's not just a cash grab. Let's take a recap on the products that I bought, right? I bought the Sugar Sparkle, the shimmery setting powder. I bought the highlighter slash blush palette. I bought the eye and face palette. I bought one of the available packs of multi-sticks and one of the available packs of eyeliners. My favorite item of the bunch that I bought, for sure, I think I'll have to give it to this guy right here. I can see myself, I really like on the everyday, you know, getting ready for, oh my god, this lash, I don't think I glued it right, but it's fine, right? It's the end of the video, whatever. But I think this is what I'll make use of the most, because usually on the everyday glam going to work, I like to put some sparkle on or shimmer on my lid and call it a day. So I know that I'll use this the most. So yeah, so that's the category. I'll use this one the most, but the one that I like the most was the eyeliner because it has the pigment, it glided well, and you can see on top of all this color, all this pigment that I put on top of my lid. So I like this one the most. The least favorite will have to go for the setting powder with the sparkle because you guys, I already have large pores on this area. I don't need the sparkle to clog it even more. And I feel like this is what it's gonna do. I should have read the label before buying it, or I wouldn't have bought it, being totally honest, because I really thought it was just pink setting powder. Bummer, because that's what I wanted. And it's on me. I thought that's what I was buying, and I bought glitter for my pores. This guy right here is so messy, so messy. The powders are everywhere on my vanity and on my shirt. Like, you can't really tell because you're not seeing the whole picture here, okay? That's it for the video. And tell me guys what you think. I'll see you in the next one. If you liked this video, please click the like button, comment, and subscribe. I do a lot of these kind of videos and I post a lot of shorts, so take a look at them. Have a nice one. Bye.